My brakes, full throttle.
Truck doing an inverted Harrier going into a hover. Waterfall.
Food ready yet? Oh, they got food ready. So anybody needs food or drink? Beautiful blue sky today. The smoke's going to show up great. You're going to do a little tail slide right back down through the smoke and flip the plane over. Little 8-point roll. John on the knife edge. $1 a gallon for four-stroke fuel. And that's electric out there. TJ's going to kind of put it through some of the paces.
That guy's been flying so well.
Now, flying a helicopter, I've been told, I only owned one for one day. I tried it, crashed it, and sold it right away. But they say flying a helicopter is like flying 2 airplanes at once. There's TJ in a inverted hover there. Now, some of these guys will go down there and tap their blades on the blacktop. It looks like he might be trying to. Oh, keep flying while batteries are charging up. Sam's going to take it easy on this one here. Because I'm smart. Now, if it looks like Sam is just jamming the sticks and anything goes, everything he's doing up there is really a precise maneuver. Takes a lot of practice. Like I said, when the helicopter is inverted, the blades are actually working in the opposite direction, so all your controls are opposite. He's going to get that spooled up. Okay, he's up. Now he's going to pull his reach back. Balance, he's going to throw. He might have to go around here. There's a fine balance on these jets. You don't have a big wing area like an airplane. He's got the nose up, got the gear down. This one looks good. Whoa, that was perfect. Nice job, Justin. That deserves a big round of applause. Look at that thing. Going down the runway. Okay, John's got a smoke system on this. I don't know if that motor's not running right or He's carrying a lot of weight there, so he's gonna go well beyond the runway a little bit, but he's gonna drop it in right on the gear. So we'll let John go get that plane, wheel it up to the